Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Could you please give us an introduction to what you and your company do, please?
Yeah. I'm representing here the Hiller GmbH. We are a German manufacturer of decanter centrifuges. Our company has been established more than 40 years ago to design centrifuges, and since then we are one of the major players in this field. We have meanwhile produced more than 5,000 decanter centrifuges for different applications. One of the most common application is the dewatering of sludges coming from the wastewater treatment.
What makes your products unique or particularly attractive?
So we are a company focused on the quality of our products. That means they are designed for a long lifetime, for 20-25 years, and we can see it that still some old centrifuges from the beginnings of our company are in use and fulfill the requirements.
Lovely. And what would you say your main markets are and the sectors that you primarily sell to?
There are three different main markets we have or we cover. One of them is wastewater treatment or dewatering sludges from the wastewater treatment. Second one is the processing of olive oil. And the third one is making special decanters for separation of drilling muds. But then we have also some smaller markets like food industry, like special chemical applications where we try to establish ourselves as well.
And from which locations do you operate?
Our main office is in Germany, near Munich, and then we have several own companies around the world. We have last year established a company in the United States. We have an own company in China and one joint venture in India. And for all other markets, we are working together with local contractors or local distributors, like here in the UK.
Lovely. And where do you see technologies and the company going in 5 to 10 years from now?
It's a good question. I mean, we have seen in the last years that the amount of applications are getting broader and broader, so you are not sure where, the journey is going, but we would like to stay in the wastewater treatment market as one of our main markets, but on the other hand, establish also some new applications to make, the business a little bit broader.
And just finally, what brought you to the exhibition?
Okay, we are here represented via our local partners since several years, and we like this exhibition. We meet here our customers. We are finding new customers, and this is and we see also what the competition is doing. So it's a good, a good basis to see what is going on in the market.
Okay, hi, my name is Hugh Thomas. I'm from MSE Systems, and we specialise in membrane bioreactor systems. Here we've got an example of an SADF membrane, the high-capacity membranes used for wastewater filtration and separation. So the biological material would sit on the outside of this module, and each one of these strands has a hole down it with millions and millions of small holes at 0.4 microns. And through this we suck very clean water, so you can get a discharge of less than 1 part per million suspended solids. These units would generally sit in a membrane module like this, and there'd be several of these with air sparges coming through from the bottom, and these would be vibrated to maintain cleanliness. Periodically you'd go into a return sip to keep the membrane surface clean. They're highly efficient in operation, and they offer a very clear discharge and water for reuse and recycling. Hi, my name is Hugh Thomas. I'm from MSE Hiller. MSE Hiller specialise in centrifuges and sludge dewatering equipment. We cover the UK and Ireland, and we make a range of machines that cover ranges of capacities from 0.4 to over 150 cubic metres per hour. Today at the IWEX show we're launching our SEE range of machines. This is the stationary energy efficient centrifuge. And the key feature on this machine is the fact that the gearbox, unlike conventional machines where the gearbox rotates, the gearbox on the SEE drive is stationary. This is the SEE Hiller stationary energy efficient gearbox. Here you can see it gives us the possibility to filter and cool the oil and inject it directly into the center of the gearbox where it's needed most. We don't have any drive belts, so there's no loss of efficiencies or energy in the drive system, and all the monitoring is brought back to a central termination box. These machines are now out in the field and operational, and we've just launched this in the UK.